Hello friends, we are making banana chocolate protein bar. And it calls for 2 bananas, but I'm using a third because I want to use bigger bananas and I don't have bigger bananas. I actually don't even have an accent. So what the hell? So we cut up our banana and we spread it around. This is gonna be so yummalicious. Okay, spread out our little banana pieces. And then we put more wax paper over top. And then you can use anything to mash it down. Those little buggers are trying to get away from me. Yet another variation on my accents. Okay, we're getting it. Take out your aggression if you must. Okay. And there we have the base layer. Okay, next, we are gonna use 2 scoops of SchoFit Nutrition chocolate protein. You could use whey or vegan. I'm making these really for my husband. I'll have a little bit, but he prefers, oh, I don't wanna open a new one. Sorry, psych, let me get another one. He prefers whey protein, so that's what I'm gonna make with him. The whey protein has a creamier taste. They're both an amazing chocolatey flavor. I use a lot of the vegan protein myself just because it's kinder on my kidneys. So it wasn't quite a scoop. So there we go. So superior whey protein chocolate flavor from SchoFit. Big difference in quality in proteins across the board. Ours has 18 amino acids and you can get free shipping. So pay attention to the end of the video and you'll see a link for that. Or you can even get a free supplement with a purchase of 2 things of protein. So 1/2 cup of non-dairy, unsweetened almond milk. And then we're gonna stir that up. Stir, stir, stir. Don't know where my whisk is, but doesn't matter, I guess. So we stir this up. Nice little thick batter. And I'm a huge fan of freezer desserts, just because if it takes me 5 to 10 minutes to whip it up and then put it in the freezer and walk away, that's perfect for my squirrel brain. And then we pour this over top. Alrighty, awesome, awesome. And of course I have a glump of protein. Glump is a real word. Don't look it up, just trust me. And there we go. So we've got the protein Spread all around. Good thing I threw a third nanner in there. And what I didn't do is cut up my walnuts. So I'm going to get my coconut oil going. We are going to use a teaspoon of coconut oil and then 2/3 cup of cacao chips. So these are 70% cacao. You want at least 70%, 100% if you can find it. And so this is chocolate that is good for you. When it's made into candy from our candy makers with sugar and butter and oil, not good for you. So you want to stick to things like this. We are gonna melt this. While I grab some walnuts and chop them. And actually, I'm not even going to chop them. We love walnuts. I'm just going to place walnuts all over the stuff. Yum. Oh. Get some extra protein, some good fats. Really, really nutritious, delicious mixture here. See if our cacao melted enough. Oh yeah. And the floor even got a bite. There we go. Because my husband wouldn't know what to do if I wasn't making a mess. It's just what I do. Okay, making sure I fill in all the holes. Okay, hopefully only another 45 seconds. And then we're gonna drizzle cacao over top of this, throw it in the freezer. And when it comes out, you don't have to thaw it. You can eat it right out of the freezer. You don't have to keep it in the freezer, but you might want to keep it in the fridge. Yum-o. I love delicious and nutritious. And people think that at schofit we don't eat yummalicious things. And I got news for you. What we eat not only is yummalicious to our taste buds, and our taste buds change, so it becomes more yummalicious. It's really yummalicious to our cells and to our health. Okay, let's kind of melt. Some of this is a little chunky, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. My husband might like that. And, melting some peanut butter over this might be good too. I'm not going to do that now, but next batch. Oh yeah. I am going to be like the favorite wife ever today. At least while he's eating this. So going in the freezer, show you what it looks like in a second. Okay, we have the finished frozen product. And so you can just break it off.
you can. So this is the problem because the protein spilled over the bananas. So you want to keep your protein on top of your bananas. Super yummy, crunchy, chocolatey, with protein. Yum, oh. I like it. I like it a lot.
And so now that it's really, really frozen, it comes off super easy. And then you just break it up and enjoy. Break it into pieces. Lots of protein, lots of yumminess.